Guests and dear friends, on this special day, we have gathered here to commemorate December 16, the day of great victory of Bangladesh independence. It is not just a day, but a priceless chapter in our history, a new beginning in our national life. On December 16, 1971, this day marked the ultimate victory of our liberation war and the day Bangladesh achieved its independence. Behind our country's struggle for independence lies the sacrifice, struggle and courage of millions of people. After 9 months of bloody liberation war, the Pakistani force surrendered in Dhaka on this day, and Bangladesh emerged as an independent, sovereign state. This was not just a military victory but a triumph of culture, political and human liberation. December 16 symbolizes our unity, courage and freedom. This day teaches us that progress is possible only through unity and sacrifice. Every contribution of our nation's people, every sacrifice of our martyrs played a role in this victory. Today's Bangladesh continues to move forward with the spirit of that liberation war. We must always people every sacrifice of our martyrs played liberation war. On this victorious day, we all stand together and reaffirm our commitment to the future progress of our country. We should work a responsible citizen and strive and for the Independence Day. Finally, I pay my respect to the memory of the great victory of December 16, and I urge everyone to keep the spirit in independence war, alive, dedicating all our efforts to making Bangladesh a matter and prosperous nation. Thank you.